Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add screw holes in Fusion 360. And so first things first, I'm going to create a sketch just to put our holes onto. And here we are going to create a rectangle. And of course, let's just extrude this object right here. Now we are going to use a tool called the hole functionality. You simply want to click on this specific button right here, create a hole based on the user's specified values. So you want to actually click on it. And of course, right after, you then have the ability to edit out the properties for the hole. So let's go ahead and make it a bit smaller, around maybe 5 millimeters. From there, you then want to simply customize the whole tap type. So instead of using simple, we could use something like the tapped option in order to actually make it a screw hole right here. So you could customize this to whatever you want to. You can even use the drill point into flat or angle. If you're using something like a screw hole, most likely it's going to be an angled one. You also have your hole type right here. And basically from there, you're good to go. You have the ability to customize this to whatever you want to. You even have the depth of the actual hole. And simply from there, you are good to go. Now you could create multiple holes if you click on this option. So in that way, you could just keep placing your holes the way you want to. And simply from there, that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.